Did you know a mountain once got the hiccups so bad it almost destroyed an entire village? Deep inside Mount Veggie, a cozy underground town was home to the happiest vegetables you've ever seen. Carrot Carl was polishing his orange skin, while Broccoli Betty watered her leafy hair. Everything was perfectly peaceful until the ground started shaking. But this wasn't an earthquake or lava bubbling up. Mount Veggie had eaten way too many rocks for dinner and now had the worst case of hiccups ever. The whole village bounced up and down with each massive hiccup. That's when Carrot Carl had a brilliant idea. All the vegetables rushed to their kitchens and started cooking the most delicious soup imaginable. They sang and chopped and stirred together, adding carrots, broccoli, peppers, and corn. When Mount Veggie tasted their amazing soup, the hiccups stopped instantly. Sometimes the best medicine is made with love and teamwork. The vegetables saved their home with nothing but friendship and vegetables.